Zoom in right there. See the bright spot?
Yes, looks like a micro shrinkage near the edge.
Secondary material routing confirmation. The automated gate remains closed, diverting the process B ingot onto the specialized heavy-duty track. Preheated nickel titanium superalloy gear blanks are transferred into a specialized shot peening chamber. Microscopic ceramic.
Ensure the graphite base is thick enough for the superalloy.
It's holding well. The structural geometry should be precise.
Process a cooling cycle complete. No thermal stress detected. Ready for inspection.
PT scored. The CNC turning center begins fine machining, establishing critical alignment datums.
A specialized cutting tool begins its synchronized rotation, aggressively carving the complex helical teeth into the nickel titanium.
The transmission gear blank moves to an industrial gear shaping machine, specialized for cutting internal splines and keyways.
A robotic forklift carries the trays into a massive, industrial atmosphere-controlled carburizing furnace.
The profile accuracy is exceptional, vibration is minimal,
and the helix angle is perfectly aligned for the counter-rotating system.
As you can see on the deviation map, the pitch and lead are well within the submicron tolerance.
The highly precise nickel titanium gear requires seamless integration of the bearings, ensuring perfect balance for the counter-rotating action. The assembly is meticulously sealed in a moisture-proof bag, vacuum sealed, and injected with inert gas. Process B initiation. Thousands of tons of pressure shape the nickel titanium superalloy into the Ka-32 Helix rotor mast. The nickel titanium rotor mast receives its final surface finishing pass using specialized high-speed tools. Crucial.
The rotor mast is fully submerged in the electrolyte tank. A controlled electrical current initiates the anodizing process.
The Kamov Ka-32 rotor mast undergoes post-anodizing sealing. The hot water closes the microscopic.
The process. A transmission gearbox is retrieved from the climate-controlled vault. A robotic system removes the anti-static.
Final torque check complete on Process B structure.
All systems nominal. Safety protocols engaged. Proceed to spin test.
With the lubricant successfully drained and analyzed, the clean particle count confirms the assembly is certified for flight integration.
Torque reading confirmed.
Check the adjacent bolt. All green. Ready for installation.
Here we see the flawless gear operation of the coaxial system, allowing the Ka-32 to maintain its unique counter-rotating profile.